Hello and welcome to the BDB Platform. In this video, we'll introduce the new component added to the Designer 8.0, which is Button Component. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use and customize the button component in the Designer module. Buttons are a valuable component in charting, as they enable users to interact with the charts and customize the chart display. Button components can be used to trigger different actions in the charting application, such as zooming in or out, switching between different chart types, or displaying additional data. Now, let's move to the live demo. This is the Designer home page. To get started, drag and drop the button component from the component library onto the canvas. Then, go to the Properties tab and select Style to customize the appearance of the button. Users can choose from different button categories such as primary, secondary, success, warning, danger, light, info, or dark. They can also adjust properties such as the background color, font size, button radius, font style, font weight, and font family to further enhance the button's appearance. But that's not all. With button components, users have the flexibility to customize the button's height, width, top, and left positions. This allows them to position the button exactly where they want it on the chart display. The background properties of button components provide users with the option to enable shadow, set shadow color, and adjust shadow transparency. This can add depth and dimension to the button component, making it stand out in the chart display. Based on the selected button category, the button component will have a default display. For example, the secondary and success categories have different default displays. Users can also set hover color to create a more interactive experience for users. Overall, button components provide users with a user-friendly way to interact with chart displays and customize their visualizations. Thanks for watching.